See here, my question is called, I'm starting for offline marketing, everything is good. How to increase sales on my website? So I'm taking product by Amazon to your website. Is fine. How to increase sales? The first preference is called social media. Which one? Social media. In this one, I'm selecting for this offer here, 10R D2 mobile. Select it first. So at a time you can sharing by multiple social network. That is called for Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The option call is anyimage.io. Which one? Anyimage.io. So select it, anyimage.io option. Why we can using for third-party website? Either you can sharing for Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So first of all, select your image. People always focus by the image is first option. So select your image. So here I'm going to the image option here. Browse the file. Is going to your desktop. Exactly going to your particular folder option. Download. Which product you can save? Select that product image. I'm selected here. So coming to here. Copy. Title. It is a cashback. Copy the URL. The image is always large. Copy this one. Click for finish. Once finish, they're sharing for total 4 social network. Which one? Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So just as computerization will be done. Now, first of all, check here. LinkedIn will be like this. Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google Plus. So first of all, share by Twitter. Always using for hashtag for trending purpose. Today will be Tuesday. So we can using for Tuesday wisdoms. Select it. Hash. Mobile phone. Special offer. Cashback. Post. Login and tweet. Then next one. Facebook. Facebook will showing for more options. Where on your profile timeline with your friends tagging and share your groups and page. Select here. First you will be share your page. Select it. So select it here. Share here. Click for post to Facebook. In Facebook, totally 5 options are available. Sixth one we can't use, that is called event sharing. Private sharing will be there. Friends timeline, your timeline, groups and pages. Now click for here. In this one, just go for it. Sales. Select the persons. Click for post to Facebook. You can share your timeline, your friends' timeline also. Sometime you'll be getting for error. Some timelines will be hide. You're getting for error. Just close it. This one. Click for LinkedIn. The article shared by where? LinkedIn also. Last one is the Google Plus option. Here in LinkedIn, two options. One is called shared by public. Second one is called share on your private message. Select it. Click for sign in. Sign in. Share in a post. Send as a private message. Both are applicable. Share this one. Post it. Here will be public plus Twitter and your connection. I'm only reached by public. Now click for post. Last one, let's call go to Google Plus. You can reaching for Google Plus here. Just give it the content. Click for post. Is it clear? This is called anytime you can sharing by for social network. But the sales will be one more option is called go to your Facebook profile. Click for option call is sale. Which one? Click for sale by your Facebook search. So here I'm going to the Facebook search here. Sale. What is called? Hyderabad online sale. Just click here. What is called? Sale something. Just click here. Copy. Price will be how much? That will be 6,000. Describe image. Post it. Copy. Click for next. We can share for other groups also. See this. Within a fraction of time, the increase your leads will be so many groups. This is called offer given by which one? Facebook group for sale purpose. In one group, we can promoting for multiple groups for sale your product purpose. Is it clear? If anything, select the sale product group. You can share by multiple groups. In one group two, you can share by multiple group option. Click for post. At a time you can reach by 20 groups on your post for your sale purpose. Is it clear? This is called sales on your Facebook groups for your particular product. That will be any kind of product we can sell by through social media. First of all, we can using for anymails.io is first option. First is sharing by Google Plus, Facebook, Facebook timeline, friends timeline, private message, groups, and sharing by your pages. Third will be Twitter. Fourth will be LinkedIn, public purpose and individual persons also. Last one, Facebook group. Each group sharing for multiple Facebook groups. This is called you can sell your product on your social network. The using for 5 option for perfect using for the users for increase your affiliate marketing product sale purpose. The everything depend on your proper image and cashback offer.